A sprinkle baby shower is a sweet way to celebrate a growing family again, focusing on love, simplicity, and meaningful moments, rather than excess. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. Who should be invited to a sprinkle shower? Close friends and family are ideal. Smaller guest lists keep the celebration intimate and focused on meaningful connections. Guest list ready? Like this if cozy gatherings feel right. What themes work best for a sprinkle baby shower? Simple themes like rainbows, florals, or neutral colors work well. Light, cheerful designs keep the event joyful without feeling overdone. Theme picked? Like this if simplicity shines. What makes a sprinkle baby shower feel special? Personal touches like heartfelt notes or thoughtful decor make all the difference. Celebrating love and family is what truly matters. Feeling the love? Like this if moments matter most. What is a sprinkle baby shower? A sprinkle baby shower is a smaller, more relaxed celebration for parents welcoming another baby. It focuses on essentials, connection, and joy instead of traditional large-scale gifting. Love simple celebrations? Like this if sprinkles feel perfect. What food works best for a sprinkle shower? Light snacks, desserts, or brunch-style foods work well. Simple menus keep hosting stress-free and enjoyable for everyone. Menu planned? Like this if easy entertaining wins. What decorations are ideal for a sprinkle shower? Minimal decor like balloons, banners, and florals works best. Thoughtful accents create a warm atmosphere without overwhelming the space. Decor planned, like this if less really is more. What activities fit a sprinkle shower? Low-key activities like advice cards or baby predictions are ideal. Keep games optional and relaxed to match the casual tone. Fun planned, like this if easy activities appeal. How long should a sprinkle baby shower last? Sprinkles are usually shorter, lasting 1 to 2 hours. A brief celebration respects guests' time while still feeling special. Perfect timing? Like this if short and sweet wins. How is a sprinkle different from a baby shower? Sprinkles are typically more casual and intimate. They celebrate the new baby without the pressure of big registries or elaborate decor. Low-key vibes? Like this if relaxed events matter to you. Can sprinkle showers be gender neutral? Yes, neutral colors and themes are popular. Gender-neutral sprinkles keep decor flexible and inclusive for any baby. Neutral approved? Like this if versatility matters. Can a sprinkle be hosted at home? Absolutely. Homes, backyards, or small venues work perfectly. Cozy locations make sprinkles feel warm and personal. Home hosting? like this if comfort matters most. Are gifts expected at a sprinkle baby shower? Gifts are optional and usually small. Diapers, wipes, or books are common and appreciated without creating pressure for guests. No pressure gifting, like this if kindness comes first. Sprinkle baby showers celebrate new beginnings with simplicity, warmth, and intention. By focusing on love rather than excess, sprinkles create meaningful memories for growing families. Love these sprinkle baby shower ideas? Like and come back for more baby shower inspiration.